Hello, Mini Kit Monday friends. So this is the kit share for June 2020, which is amazing. How did we get to June? I don't know how we got to June. So once again, I'm doing page kits. I have been loving working from page kits. So I give myself a much smaller amount of supplies and I use more of them. So instead of having 50 sticker sheets left over at the end of this summer, hopefully I will be down to only 40. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So I'm starting by using pieces from some collections I have from a kit club that I do belong to. So let me get rid of these pieces. Those are not part of it. I brought in a piece. Oh, I only need one piece of cardstock. So I have a piece of gorgeous blue cardstock for my first kit. It is called Wildberry Pie. Such a pretty color. Because I do not have any of the full sheets left of this really cool Family Night collection by Cartabella. So what I do have, and this is the reason why I really wanted to make one more layout with it, is I have this sticker sheet left and I've used a nice amount, but not enough. So, and it is so theme specific and all of that, like family time and all of this kind of craft, hang out, turn on the radio and dance, people around the table, the whole thing. So it's super specific, so I wanted to try to get more traction from it. Now these are the papers that I have left from this collection. They're not an impressive amount, but I do have some, and I really do like them. These are some of the 3x4 cards that were on one of the sheets. They have dice on one side and these cute little pieces and sentiments on the other. So those are the papers I have left. Not a lot, but I'm going to do something with them. I just don't know what yet. So I have those, not many. I have this many of the enamel dots that were from that collection. Awesome. Now I do have a nice smattering though of die cuts, and I want to try to use as many as I can. Like it looks just like a cute little advertisement piece about bingo. A game night piece that also, you know, you can pop out. Making memories and good times. Family fun night. Look at how cute that is. That's from, oh gosh, what game is that? Help me. Is it, it's not Clue. It's not Sorry. Gosh, it's on the tip of my tongue. Anywho, we have that. Family time, family first, friends forever. So I have all of these little die cut pieces, right? Awesome. Then, all right, that's what I have from the collection. Then I'm bringing in this Color Me Happy set of stickers from Cocoa Vanilla because I have a lot of them. I also, it's so funny, I have a bin right over here of supplies I'm trying to use up from a previous Scrapalooza, and I'm determined to get through them when I can. So those are the goodies I'm bringing in for most this month. I have these chipboard pieces. I think this is Pink Fresh. And then I also have these two pieces. I'm going to use the word hello. Congratulations is not working. I need to put these letters in to one of those like word finder things to figure out what other words I can come up with for that, because I don't have anything I need to do congratulation-y stuff with. All right, so that's the kit I'm going to work with for my first kit. Let me come back in a second with my second one. Hello, Mini Kit Monday friends. This is page kit number 2 I wanted to share with you. And all of the papers I'm going to use are from I Love Spring. It's an Echo Park collection. Let's see. Echo Park collection. What can is there a date on here? Is there a date? Nope. Okay. So this is I Love Spring Busy Bumblebees, which is a great yellow and white stripe. This side has all of those adorable little bumblebees. Look at how cute. They're so cute. So I don't know which side I'm using, but I started my little page kit thinking of these 3 bright colors because I'm going to do a Mother's Day layout with it. This one is Blissful Butterflies, and it's this really great rosy pink with tone on tone. And this has really bold butterflies. I'm not really feeling them, but who knows? They might make it in. And then the third one is Hello Spring, which is just a really large blown up gingham kind of a feel in a pale aqua. And this has tons and tons of spring sentiments. Now to go along with these 3 papers, I do have the full chipboard sheet I don't know what I'm going to be using here, if I'm going to use anything. I do like these little flowers. I think those are great because Mother's Day you always get flowers, and I love these cute little bumblebees. So we'll see about that. And then I have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet as well. And this time it's mostly larger pieces, but I am really digging the border strips. I always love the flowers, and these banner pieces are amongst my favorites. So we'll see where we go with that. Now I'm going to go ahead. Getting cute. My husband's bringing me a coffee right there. I'm going to go ahead and bring in the sticker sheet from kit number 1 into this kit. A big old doily, because I'm trying to use up things from this one iris box I have, and a doily is one of them. You'll see why when I do the layout. Now I have this word congratulations here, and I want to run it through one of those word maker things to see if I can come up with a different set of words or something with that. And I think this is a Jen Hadfield piece. I have the word details from Pink Fresh. And then sitting on my desk, I have these wood veneer wood pieces, and I'd like to include them into my kit. All right, so that is page kit number 2. Hi, Mini Kit Monday friends. So for my 3rd page kit, I'm going to be concentrating on the Cherry on Top collection by Fancy Pants. This is my full-size sheet that I currently have. It is just a basic tan or craft on the back, so I think I'll be using this really cool side. It's like multi-tonal, I don't know, like cherry. I have these scraps right here, which are, one side was the cut apart sheet, and this is the other side. And then I love this pattern. It's called All the Yum. And the other side has all kinds of different words you can think of for an ice cream shop. The elements I have that go with the kit, I have these chipboard pieces right here. I have these die cut pieces, which these 2 are tags, so those are fun. Yeah, I can bring in this green because I have green and those flowers for my date. I like the Living the Sweet Life, and I have a part of a journaling spot, so that'll be good to do a little journaling. One more little tag piece, a tiny bit of twine, and I have 3 enameled dots from that collection. Now, not from that collection, I'm going to bring in this Pink Fresh word that reads Fave. I thought it was a really nice color match. This die cut from Pebbles, and I have half of the 6 by 12 sheet from Pebbles as well, and these are the stickers. Now let's see, don't have much for a title there, so let me grab this right here. I have these Color Me Happy stickers by Cocoa Vanilla, as well as this little wood veneer piece right here. Now this has been hanging around on my desk, so I think I will make sure to get that in. And let's see, let's get 2 more little pieces at work. I love little birdies, so let's get 2 different little birdies in. That will work perfectly. So I am going to do that. Oh, and I want to show you this as well. I'm going to try not to mess anything up. Right here is the sketch I am going to be using that Dolly gave us for inspiration. I like all the pieces. I like that I can use a bunch of leftover scraps. And yeah, so, oh, yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing with this one. But I will show you more about that coming up. All right, for my 4th page kit, I'm concentrating on Schmel's Field Trip. It's Field Trip, right? Schmel's Never Grow Up. It's not. So the only full-size sheet of paper I have is this Forever Young piece. So that will no doubt have to be my background. And let's see. The other pieces I have this great scrap here, which has more cut-aparts, but adorable stars. I've got this nature scene right here, which I do love. This one is called Spring Awakening, and wonky red lines on the backside. I have this piece that you can read Wish all over and over again, and this great dandelion scene. So I have just these, oh, that would be good for journaling. These absolutely great little scraps left from this collection. Now also in this collection, I have some of the embellishments, including 3 wood buttons. I've got sequins and enamel dots. I love those kind of pieces for my finishing pieces. I've got a really nice amount of the Puffy stickers still, Look at how cute these little ants are. They're so cute. I have a partial sheet of these Puffy stickers, and they have like a cardstock sticker overlay. I have a lot from this collection. I have, yes, 1/2 of the sticker sheet here, and there's holographic, not holographic, it's silver foiling on this. And let's see, what else do I have? I have 1 of the washi tapes from the collection, and then a really nice amount of the die cuts. I think I started with a full pack of the die cuts. So I also think I'm going to bring in this gorgeous piece here that reads favorite. It's a bit of an ombre piece, and I think that might have been a Paige Evans thing. I think it was from Bloom. Yes. Okay. So that's what I have for page kit number 4.